you! If you guys don't listen to me, because I'm your babysitter. Follow me, if you don't want to be cubed in a river. What do we have here? Two stupid fart faces looking to get a beating.
We are from planet Blizzards. You have brought us great dishonor. In return, you must give us peanut butter, or we will kill you. You have 1 Earth hour.
Hey, he ate all the peanut butter.
You're stupid!
Yeah, you're dumb. There's no more peanut butter in there.
I know! Peanuts? Butter? It's not working! Mop, mop.
I have one last idea.
Guys, I don't have any more ideas.
Wait, there's peanut butter in his belly!
It has been long enough.
I forgot, we are allergic to peanut butter.